What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. Here we go. First thing we want to look at here is 11.4 beta 2 came up today. Let's look at the bugs and fixes. First one is the annoying control center volume UI. It's still having that even in the control center. Definitely unnecessary. There's some reports that some people are having the widgets, having an empty box for the widgets area here. I'm not having it at all, but I've heard some people are having that. There's a box here with an empty widget, so all you have to do is you have to go back here, add or take out some, and then done, and it'll go away. There's also some reports that it's not possible to download the Apple News and Apple TV app. It's mainly a miscommunication between beta users and Apple, so that is now getting fixed on the beta 2. There's also an issue on the Airplay. They fixed it where it would only play the audio on your Apple TV or something like that, or it would only show the video but it would be delayed by 2 or 3 seconds, and it's very annoying, but they fixed it on beta 2. And of course in beta 2 Apple added this iPhone product red wallpaper. Let's install our beta 2. Here we go. There we go, we just installed our beta 2 11.4. As you can see here, this is fixed. There's no more UI coming up. The widget, there's no more widget problem as well. There's a lot of fixes as well through the issues earlier from the beta 1. But yeah, that's it guys. It's very consistent performance from beta 1 to beta 2. It's a lot of bug fixes, so that's very welcome. I would like to see more features though in the future betas, fixing the iCloud message and also the dark mode in the future betas. As you can see, there's not a lot changed, but at least Apple is bringing in a lot of bug fixes through their betas. Well, that's it for today guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.
1, 2, 3.